that like me.
Hello and welcome to the vlog. It's officially Wild Women's Weekend. It's 5 years old. It's gonna taste old.
No, I meant like it's not. It just tastes like gum. It's not bad.
Oh, okay. So here's the tea.
Sis.
The tea.
Hey, Joyce, get in it. You're just in front of me.
Today is currently April
24th.
Is it? Oh, yeah, it is.
And we are going to the beach because we are tired of quarantine. But we are going to be 6 feet apart the whole time.
Yes.
So no need to worry.
Now.
Don't hate on us.
You gotta get your mom in it.
Do you want in the vlog, Mom? Do you want to be vlog, Mom?
Hashtag vlog mom.
So the beach opened up last weekend. So we're going to Classy Crystal for a whole weekend. We're heading out to the beach.
Autobots, roll out.
Like she said, it's very hot. So we are excited
Woohoo!
to go to the beach. We're leaving a whole hour late, but it's fine.
It's fine. We're still going. We're still gonna get there.
Savage.
Classy bullshit ratchet.
That's beautiful.
I know.
Car, Jayden.
Hello. We have arrived. We are in the big store now.
Big store.
And I'm not tall enough, so.
You guys gotta be 6 feet apart.
Okay, so we finally made it to the beach.
So we're gonna do a cabin tour, MTV crib style. MTV cribs! Come on into my crib. Let me show you around.
Oh, of course.
So first off, this is our first kitchen, and we've got a blender that travels. And that is Janice, who brought our blender. Then if you come over this way, this is the first living room. You heard me right, the first. And then we walk this way. Come on. If you're walking this little hallway, and to your left, you have a bedroom. And then if you come this way, your second bedroom.
Wow.
And then this way. And then we have the master bedroom with its own bathroom, which is right this way. This is our second living room.
And kitchen.
And kitchen.
I mean, what do I know?
Third or second bathroom? Too many to count. Second bathroom. And then if you follow me back this way, one of my favorite parts is we have a fourth bedroom.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
One more cool thing to show y'all. Shut up.
A mirror.
There's a mirror. And then if you move, Jayden.
Oh, sorry.
You open this door. Move! You open this door. Bam. Outside. I'll follow you. There's a second set of stairs. And there's this big porch area. And if you come downstairs. Look at this porch. Finally. This is our big porch. Another cool part,
Which is?
an outdoor fridge. It's got a little rust on it, but it's okay. And then we have our dangly lights that don't really work, but it's okay. Then we have the ping pong table. And so that's been the cabin tour. Thanks for coming, MTV.
We just pulled up to the beach. It is absolutely beautiful and brown, like always.
Listen up, all the professional hair dyers out there. I ain't one of you, but I know how to dye my hair. So hopefully Joyce turns out good. Yeah, what if Joyce's like turns out bald?
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
I wonder how it turned out.
Oh, come on, open the door. Open the freaking door. You know, I was gonna open the freaking door. I was thinking about Makenna as Big Bird. The meme when they bust down the door and then Big Bird is just standing there. Boom.
Presenting.
Why am I nervous?
I don't know.
The news.
Joyce Marie Hall.
Oh my goodness.
It looks good.
It looks
I love
so
it.
good.
Wake up! Oh my god! Wake up! Choker? Oh, I gotta fart.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is officially day 2, and we're going to end this vlog right here, and we're going to start with a day 2 vlog.
Yay.
So if you enjoyed this and you actually watched it the whole way through,
Congrats. We are boring.
you made it.
You get a
So
gold.
if you enjoyed this video, even if you hated it, you should go and watch the second vlog, because today is going to be even better, hopefully. So
If I don't kill myself first.